Let's see now how to fill this out, this document. So if you scroll down, basically what you'll see in this document is there are these square brackets. So this is something, these are the placeholders where you have to fill something out. So in this case, this is your company name. So let's say this is, I don't know, Test Incorporated. Let's say this is how your company is called. And then you have these reference documents. Here the document refers to NIS2 article 21. And here in the comments you have already a link to this very article of NIS2. So if you click this link, you would see what exactly says in this document. You can also see the references to ISO 27001, so the cybersecurity standard. So it's something that you can leave. And then you have some other references to some other documents within your company. Of course, you can adapt these. The next section is about steps and responsibilities. So you have all these suggested steps here, and you can change them. You can change this, let's say that entering the information asset in the inventory of assets is done by, let's say, the, I don't know, security officer. Okay. And then you move on. Classification criteria. So basically you have the 3 criteria here for classifying. You can simply delete, let's say, some of these, or you can change, of course, anything that you want to change here. Confidentiality level. Again, you can change the level of confidentiality and how this is labeled. Okay. Then you move on. List of authorized persons. So this is needed only if there is a higher classification level and you want to define who has the access to this particular piece of information. Classification level. Let's say that you want to revisit the classification every, let's say, 1 year. Okay, so you simply change it. And then how the information is labeled separately for digital, paper documents, information systems, emails, and so on. So let's say information systems, the confidentiality level must be indicated in the system access screen as well as in top right corner of each consecutive screen. You can say, okay, we want to have this in top, let's say, or bottom right corner. And then how you handle classified information. So basically this is then defined for each type of information for different levels of confidentiality. Okay, so this is for digital documents, this is for paper documents. Okay, and then then you move on and define all of these rules for each and every of these levels of classification that you have in columns and for each type of information.